Today, I will explain about some Pali texts in the Dhammapada. During the time of the Buddha, one bhikkhu named Sona Bhikkhu. Essentially, his name is Kotikana Sona Bhikkhu. But in the Pali text, they call Sona Bhikkhu. After he became the bhikkhu Manghu, one day when he go back his village, and at the night he have the Dhammato to his mother. When he Dhammato time, some robber and thieves come into his mother home and they take properties, money or gem. At the time, some woman slave come into inside the Dhammato ceremony to tell household woman, these are robber, bring your money or jewel or properties. At the time, this household cheat woman, my slave, don't talk about that right now. If they want to take, they can bring all. If you told me about that, my listening Dhammato is broken. I don't want to broken my listening Dhammato. Right now, my son also got Dhammato. Like this, as you do, like this reply. Some these chiefs or the leaders, they hear about that, and he respect to her. Even though we bring her properties or money, gold, jewel, but she don't care about that. She just continuously listen Dhammato by his son, her son. So these robber don't thief and go to Dhammato ceremony, and they request, they apologize to her, and they also become the bhikkhu and request to do to Manghu bhikkhu life. After they became Buddhist man or Manghu, they have to study how to practice how to vipassana meditation from the Sona Thera, Sona Bhikkhu, and then they go to forest and they have to practice vipassana meditation. At the time, our Buddha already know about them, and the Buddha go to there, and in the Pali text, the Buddha go to there by supernatural power, but I don't want to say about supernatural power. The Buddha Dhamma taught to them. Today I will explain this by the Buddha Dhamma taught to the bhikkhu. Mitta Vihari Yo Bhikkhu Pasana Buddha Sasani Adi Gachi Paran Sandang Sankarva Samasukha. I will explain, continues. This Pali means Buddha Sasana. Sasana means the teaching of the Buddha. Our another name is we used to say Sila Sasana, Samadhi Sasana, Panya Sasana. Sila's morality or precepts. Sasana is instruction or guidance on to keep our precepts. This is one we follow by the Buddha, by the Theravada system method. We must be control our mind. We have to refrain from killing or stealing or sexual misconduct or lying speech or don't take the intoxicant. This is we call sasana because the Buddha guidance or instruction to all living beings. Sila sasana. Samadhi sasana means also right now you had to practice vipassana meditation. At the time when you trying to practice or note, observe your objects, you are not the mind to touch objects or stay on the objects. This is moment of concentration, the ekagata samadhi. In the same way, samadhi also 1.1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many very long time, very strong concentration. This is if we had samadhi concentration, our mind not to be angry, not to be greed, not to be delusion, because this samadhi is just stay only our objects. And this is samadhi sasana. Wisdom or insight knowledge, pinya sasana is we have to realize about our physical matter. They are impermanence, suffering, not self. They are also every day changing or quickly. This is a panya sasana. Pasana means believed faith in the sasana, to the sasana. So all, if I compound this meaning, the Buddha me, all bhikkhu, right now, due to had belief in my sasana, my teaching of the Buddha, you are became the bhikkhu. This is, it depends on your faith. In the Pali is saddha, belief. That is why you must be stay. You used to be staying with loving kindness, metta. Due to this all me due to belief or due to faith in the teaching of the Buddha, after you became the bhikkhu or monk, you must be stay. Sorry, you should be stay with the metta or loving kindness, because someone used to stay with the loving kindness, their mind is also peaceful. And due to your mind peaceful, you will realize sankhara. Sankhara means condition of our physical and mental. This sankhara or this physical and mental are every time changing impermanence or suffering, no sex. After you realize like that regarding with our physical and mental objects, our mind also sankhara rupa samman sukha, we will feel happiness. This means the Buddha told adhikachaya parasantan, you will attain to peaceful states. In here, you will have asked question to me about metta. In this morning, I told shortly about metta, 3 sentences. May all living beings be happy. May all living beings be peaceful. May all living beings be free from all suffering. This also, you can You can send loving kindness every time when you remember. Sometimes inside your family, you want to send especially to your mother or to your father or to your friend. Also, you can send. Before you send loving kindness, inside your mind, you have to imagination. You have to be imagination to your, for example, to your mother, and close your eye to look at by your mind your mother happy time or smile face time. When you see like that, your mother is happy or smile, at the time you can send, may my mother be happy, may my mother be peaceful, may my mother be free from suffering. Another way, at every night right now you have to send loving kindness. And awiro homi, abyabacho homi, aniko homi, sukhi adana pariharantu. This also loving kindness you can send as a star. Our Buddha Dhamma taught to the bhikkhu or 9 parts. But today I had only 1 part. Is our time is not enough. That is why I will explain about all 9 parts to yogi next day also. All yogi also right now, due to belief or due to faith, sattva, you have to join this T3 meditation T3, and right now you are became yogi. Yogi also really like the Buddhist man, because another saying is our Buddhist man also must be observed about our physical and mental impermanence or suffering, nonsense. In the same way, yogi also to realize, yogi also trying to observe, to realize about that. That is why our aim is the same. So you are also like the bhikkhu. That is why you, number 1, you must be stay with your loving kindness. Number 2, every time you must be practice to realize about you are condition of the physical and mental. They are impermanent, suffering, and non-self. Number 3, if you realize like that, you will feel peaceful state. So today's we had remain 3 minutes. That is why I would like to share merit deeds with yogi. So I would like to start in here. May all yogi be, may all yogi trying to practice vipassana meditation and feel the peaceful state. Imaya Dhammanu Dhamma Padi Padiya Buddham Pujemi. Imaya Dhammanu Dhamma Padi Padiya Dhammam Pujemi. Imaya Dhammanu Dhamma Padi Padiya Sangham Pujemi. Imaya Dhammanu Dhamma Padi Padiya Mata Pitaro Pujemi. Imaya Dhammanu Dhamma Padi Padiya Acariye Pujemi. Atha Imaya Padi Padiya Jara Marana Maha Parimocchesami idame ponyang aswakaya wahang hotu idame silam magapla nyanasa pajayo hotu imano punya bagang Sabha sadanam dema sabe sada sukhida hondu sadhu
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Of yogi, take care of your hair. I forgot to say happy Lunar Happy New Year. May all be happy and peaceful and long life with the good healthy.